We're finally here at the Red Sea project.
The Red Sea is the world's fourth largest barrier reef system. It spans 28,000 square kilometers, 90 untouched islands, pristine beaches, dormant volcanoes, desert dunes, canyons, and cultural sites.
And now this is a massive site, 106 signs, and this is one among the 106 traffic signs that we've been commissioned to install. Blue and brown effect that you see on the sign is actually a custom paint job done by our artists back in Dubai. Vinyl that you see on the panel is 3M diamond grade that we've pre-applied in our factory so that we don't have to deal with issues like dust and site conditions when we're here. This particular sign is a two-pole sign. So the poles, although they look like wood, these are actually FRP panels that we're cladding around I-beams. And these I-beams we send them from Dubai. All the signs have individual foundations for each pole that are precast off-site, brought here and then installed after excavation is done.